Hi students, John here. Chapter 1 Application of Matrices and Determinants. Example 1.5. Find the matrix of A if the adjoint of A matrix வந்து கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. we are going to find A matrix. So A matrix குரிய formula A is equal to plus or minus 1 divided by square root of the determinant of adjoint of A matrix into adjoint of A matrix. First adjoint of A matrix choose பண்ணிக்குவோம். So adjoint of A க்கு determinant கொடுத்துடலாம். So determinant of adjoint of A is equal to determinant of the adjoint of the matrix. So இப்போ simple introduce பண்ணிடலாம். So first plus minus plus. So இந்த first row மட்டும் வச்சுதான் நம்ம determinant ஓட values find out பண்றோம். So அதுக்கு கண்டிப்பா இந்த first row ஓட expansion. இப்போ first I am going to choose the first row ல first element choose பண்ணேன் அப்படின்னா அதுக்குரிய rows so eliminate ஆயிடும். So 7 குரிய cofactors. So 11 7 5 7. First row ல second element 7 குரிய cofactors. So அந்த 7 குரிய rows columns eliminate பண்ணிட்டா so 7 குரிய cofactors is equal to determinant of minus 1 11 7 7. So first row last element minus 7 create cofactors. So plus minus 7 of, so the cofactor becomes minus 1 11 11 5. Then which is equal to 7 times of 11 into 7 becomes 77. Then minus 5 into 7 35. Then minus 7 of minus 7, then minus 77. Plus into minus we get minus 7 of minus 1 into 5 becomes minus 5, minus 11 into 11 121. So 7 of 77 minus 35 which is equal to plus 42, then minus 7 of 84 minus 84 minus 7 of 126 minus 126 which is equal to 7 into 42 is equal to 294. Minus into minus plus 7 into 84 is equal to 588. Then minus into minus plus 7 into 126 is equal to 882, which is equal to 1764. Therefore the adjoint of A is equal to 1764. Therefore square root of determinant of adjoint of A which is equal to square root of 1764 which is equal to plus or minus 42. So next adjoint of A matrix க்கு adjoint find out பண்ண போறோம். So adjoint of A matrix which is equal to cofactor of the particular adjoint of A matrix whole transpose. So adjoint of A is equal to so cofactor of whole transpose குரிய expansion கொடுத்திருக்கோம். So இப்போ ஒவ்வொரு elementக்கும் cofactors find out பண்ண போறோம். So first row first element 7 குரிய cofactors rows and columns eliminate பண்ணிட்டோம் அப்படின்னா so remaining 11 7 5 7. Then another one first row second element 7 குரிய cofactors find out பண்ண போறோம். So 7 குரிய rows and columns deleted அப்படின்னா remaining இருக்க elements minus 1 11 7 7. Then first row last element minus 7 குரிய cofactors and the row column delete பண்ணிட்டோம்னா so remaining element minus 1, 11, 11, 5 is a cofactor of minus 7. In second row, first element minus 1 cofactors, rows and columns eliminated அப்படின்னா remaining 7 minus 7, 5, 7. Second row, second element minus 11, sorry, plus 11 cofactors 7 minus 7, 11, 7. Second row last element 7 cofactors and the rows and columns eliminate பண்றோம்னா remaining 7, 7, 11, 5. Then last row first and 11 cofactors 7 minus 7, 7 minus 7, 11, 7. Last row second elements 5 cofactors and the 5 rows and columns delete பண்றோம்னா so remaining is a cofactor 7 minus 7, 7 minus 7, minus 1, 7. Last row last element 7 cofactors and the 7 rows and columns delete ஆயிடுச்சு அப்படின்னா so remaining cofactor 7, 7 minus 1, 11. 7, 7 minus 1, 11 is a cofactor of last one, then which is equal to plus of 11 into 7, 77, minus 5 into 7 becomes 35, minus 1 into 7 becomes minus 7, minus 11 into 7 becomes 77, plus minus 1 into 5 becomes minus 5, minus 11 into 11, 121, minus of 7 7s are 49, minus 5 into minus 7 minus 35, minus into minus plus 35, plus 7 7s are 49, minus 11 into 7 minus 77, here plus 77, minus of 7 into 5 35, minus 11 into 7 77, then plus of 7 7s are 49, minus 11 into minus 7 minus 77, so here plus 77, then minus of 7 7s are 49, minus into minus plus 1 into 7 7, then plus of 7 into 11 77, minus 1 into 7 minus 7, so minus into minus plus 7, whole transfers, so which is equal to plus of 77 minus 35 is equal to 42, and minus of minus into minus 7 minus 77 is equal to minus 84, then plus of minus 5 minus 121 becomes minus 126, minus of 49 plus 35 is equal to 84, then plus of 49 plus 77 is equal to 126, minus of 35 minus 42 is equal to minus 42, then plus of 49 plus 77 is equal to 126, minus of 49 minus 7 is equal to 42, then plus 77 plus 7 is equal to 84 whole transfers, then which is equal to 42 plus 42 plus 84 minus 126 minus 84 126 plus 42 plus 126 minus 42 plus 84 whole transfers. Therefore adjoint of A is equal to transfers apply பண்றோம். transfers apply பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா first row வந்து first column change ஆயிடும். So 42 84 minus 126, second row change into second column minus 84 plus 126 plus 42, then last row change into last column 126 minus 42 plus 84. So that is a adjoint of A. So therefore the formula A is equal to plus or minus 1 by square root of determinant of A adjoint of A into adjoint of A matrix. So therefore A matrix is equal to plus or minus 1 by, so adjoint of value வந்து plus or minus 42 இந்த concept use பண்ணிக்கலாம். Therefore 42, then adjoint of A is equal to, so இந்த matrixோட ஆன்சரை நம்ம சூஸ் பண்ணிட்டு substitute பண்ணோம்னா போதும். Okay, so adjoint of A யோட matrix. Okay, then therefore the A is equal to plus or minus, so 42 வந்து இந்த matrixல காமனா இருக்கு, so take outside 42 by 42. So 42 எடுத்துட்டோம்னா 1 here minus 2 here 3, then here 2 3 minus 1 minus 3 1 2. So then the A matrix is equal to, therefore the A matrix is equal to plus or minus, so 42 will be cancelled, so remaining 1 minus 2 3 2 3 minus 1 minus 3 1 2 is the matrix A.